This is our plant-based spin on a classic aubergine parmigiana. Definitely a recipe to enjoy taking your time over because it does take some time. It starts with aubergines cut into thin-ish slices and layered in a colander, sprinkled with salt, and then place a plate on top, followed by something heavy to allow them to drain out some of their bitter juices while you make a tomato sauce. Finally, chop an onion and slowly sizzle it in olive oil with garlic before adding a tin of whole plum tomatoes and a tin of chopped tomatoes. Season this well and leave it to bubble down and intensify in flavour. Pat off any excess moisture from your aubergines and then fry them up in batches until they are golden and a bit crispy and full of flavour. Now for the fun bit, the assembly. Start with a thin layer of tomato sauce on the bottom of your dish and add a layer of aubergine slices, then tomato sauce, then aubergines. A few sneaky basil leaves can be a lovely addition here, and continue layering until you've used up all your aubergines. If you like, top it with a generous handful of a grated plant-based cheese, or you could use some breadcrumbs and bake until it's super soft and the top is all golden and craggy and crispy. Serve this up and tuck into those juicy layers of aubergines with that melty tomato sauce. Enjoy.